on this gorgeous tree-lined street in West Hillhurst. We're touring a newer infill in arguably one of the best locations in the city of Calgary. Just a few minutes away from the university, the Foothills Hospital, the Children's Hospital, and this home backs onto the Parkdale Hillside off-leash dog park. Let's go head inside. And welcome. Now right off the front entrance is a large walk-in closet, very convenient for that growing family. A beautiful formal dining area, taking advantage of a great view off the front of the street with some beautiful windows. Love the crown molding and the high ceilings throughout the main floor here. Now this side's onto an updated kitchen with the granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, the wine fridge. You notice the under cabinet lighting. There's also some great built-ins on this side. And very convenient, a half bathroom. You notice there's a lot of extra seating area around the kitchen as well. And some really unique features throughout this home. A ton of windows. There's a lot of natural light in this home. Now this is one of two gas fireplaces. Now this backs on to the Parkdale Hillside Park. Beautifully landscaped. Now this is white oak engineered hardwood floors. It's brand new. Now the basement is fully developed as well. It features in-floor heating, a third bedroom, and a full bathroom. This is a steam shower. Very large bedroom here with great size windows and a ton of extra storage space down here. Just love this curved staircase and a lot of the glass brickwork here. Upstairs laundry. Now this is the second bedroom. What's very unique is both of the bedrooms up here feature walk-in closets, en-suites, and patios. Separate water closet, slate shower, and we just love this view out here. It's so private. Now the second master suite, huge walk-in closet. Love the vaulted ceilings. There's actually a second closet space over here as well. Separate water closet, another huge slate tile shower with the double shower head, a three-sided gas fireplace, jacuzzi tub, double vanity, and this granite is consistent with the kitchen. And this backs on to the backyard and the beautiful park. And thank you everybody for joining me today on this beautiful tour. If you guys have any questions about this home or would like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.